Lisa, we've had consistent delays in receiving not only the microcontroller units but also the circuit board assemblies. Have you managed to get a detailed response from our supplier?
Yes, I followed up. The supplier mentioned that the recent shipment is delayed due to customs issues, mainly incomplete documentation and confusion over the declared value.
That's the third shipment this quarter with problems. We can't keep disrupting the production schedule like this. Did they give an estimated delivery date?
Tentatively Friday, but they weren't firm about it. I recommend engaging our backup supplier and simultaneously contacting the alternate supplier for a partial batch to stabilize our assembly line.
Makes sense. Have you already reached out?
Yes, I've contacted them both. The alternate supplier confirmed availability and said they can expedite the shipping process if we confirm today.
Excellent. Also, can you work with the inventory control team to record the shortage accurately and update the stock levels in our ERP system?
Already in progress. I've also asked them to reassess the lead time for the passive components as we're approaching minimum thresholds.
Good initiative. We need to be proactive. Let's also include this incident in a broader root cause analysis report. I want this reviewed in the next operations meeting.
Understood. I'll compile the data, include communication logs, and outline all the delays and alternatives.
Perfect. We must strengthen our supply chain visibility and consider automating some of our procurement tracking.
I agree. I'll schedule a meeting with the software vendor to explore integrating shipment tracking features.
That'll help us monitor supplier performance and reduce reaction time.
I'll draft a supplier performance dashboard proposal and submit it by end of day.
Thanks, Lisa. Let's turn this challenge into an opportunity to streamline operations.
Absolutely, John. We need to evolve continuously.